I almost stopped testing Viewmax.io after the first video. Not because it looked bad, because I thought, I've already seen this, it's just another AI video generator. Then I tried one more project. That second video completely changed my opinion. Instead of making something random, I gave it a real job. A YouTube short, then a product promo, then a quick social media ad. Same kind of videos I'd normally spend an hour editing. The setup was honestly easier than I expected. I dropped in my prompt, picked a style, and let it build the first draft. A few minutes later, I had something that actually looked usable. Not perfect, but definitely closer than I thought it'd be. Then I started getting picky. I changed the wording, swapped visuals, tried different styles. That's when I realized something. The quality wasn't really limited by the AI. It was limited by my instructions. The more specific I became, the better the videos looked. That surprised me. I was expecting to press one button and magically get a finished video. Instead, it felt more like working with a fast editor who still needed direction. One thing did bother me though. A couple of scenes felt generic. They weren't bad. They just didn't have much personality. I still found myself making a few manual edits before I'd actually publish anything. And honestly, I'm okay with that. The feature I ended up appreciating most wasn't the video generation. It was getting from a blank page to a solid first draft in minutes. That's the hardest part of content creation for a lot of people, and Viewmax.io made that part much easier. Now, is it worth paying for? If you're creating marketing videos, YouTube content, client work, or social media posts every week, I can definitely see the value. If you're only making a few videos every month, I test the free version before committing to a subscription. So, can Viewmax.io create better AI videos? Sometimes, but I don't think that's the right question. The better question is whether it helps you create videos faster without sacrificing too much quality. For me, the answer was yes, but I still spend a few extra minutes adding my own touch before hitting publish. If this review helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.